I'm tired of this. Every year, it's the same thing. A good 2 weeks is not even passed yet. The leaves changing color. They just start to change color to the yellows, the oranges, and the reds, and start to fall off the trees. Looking all beautiful. Time where people take pictures, right? And they're wearing their sweaters, you know what I mean? And somebody has to show up early. And why am I hearing their name more than mine? And people keep calling me by the wrong name. I ain't fall. My name is Autumn. Why do I hear the name Winter? It's not winter, it's autumn. You know what? We need to do something about this. We need to do something about winter. Men have no problem with winter. What you mean you ain't got no problem with winter? And that me say, spring, what you saying?
Well, I really only get 2 weeks.
All right, so you feel me?
Well, you see, when I show up in March, winter doesn't leave. It's so frustrating. It's a time of blossoming. It's a time of blooming. The days are longer. Nature becomes alive again. Everybody wants spring. Spring, nobody wants you. You not again. Well, summer. Winter stays longer, but you show up early.
Why? Spring, why?
I don't know.
You don't know. You're soft. That is why. You're soft. You see, when your time come, at that time, winter feel left. But you know, stay there and contend with winter. All in April, winter no leave yet. May come and winter still about. No, sir. Winter not coming at my time, you know. Not shutting my time. Make sure I get me 2 months, July, August. If me not come in May, winter will stay all until June. You see, the one time me allow you to make it happen. Me did say, give spring a chance. And you see what happened? You make winter stay there with you until June. Almost in my time. So every year me have to come out of my jurisdiction and come in and me now to stop it. When me show up, winter run. That's why me have no problem with winter, you know. Winter have a problem with me. Winter afraid of me. Me not no problem. Me in a no war with winter. I don't know the problem. Is it two I know me have problem with? Me lend out the couple weeks. Me lend it out. Because me show up me and me shift back. Eh? Me come back at my time because me make sure I get my 2 months. Eh? Me not get 1 month, me I get 2 months. Because you see, September, when September come, as September 1st land, who a show up? This one is so fall. Sorry, autumn. Coming in at the beginning of September gives me more time because winter comes in too early. Right, you're soft. You soft too. See that? The two are no soft. I don't care what anybody says. Winter takes things as a joke. He thinks this is a game. This ain't no game. This is who we are. This is a job. This is what we do.
I agree, Autumn. Winter plays too many games.
He thinks we're playing around. I ain't playing with nobody. I'm grown. I've been doing this thing for ever.
Where's winter anyway?
You wanna know where? Winter I work. Who for time now? Autumn. You see what autumn there? Sit down right here, so. You see what winter there? Winter I work. Before autumn go out there, so, and go claim back them time. No. Autumn, sit down right here, so with we. You see what I say? Yes, soft. The two are no soft, man. The two are no soft. Look there. Autumn, found ya. Thought I lost ya. We had quite a few rounds, eh? I got plenty more.
See?
Spring, March, eh? You and me? We gotta go some rounds. Got some for ya.
But that's just not my nature. Spring, oh, you mean you is nature.
Summer. Right, right. Well, Autumn, I'll beat you to the pole.
Why winter gotta be like that? Soft, soft. All right. You know what? You right. That you fi do. Watch and learn.